Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we empower you to take control of your home repairs. Today, we're diving into the cool world of AC repair, focusing on the heart of your system, the compressor. This crucial component is often overlooked but is essential for your AC's performance. This mighty component is responsible for keeping your home comfortable during scorching summers. Imagine coming home to a refreshing, cool environment after a long, hot day. Without a properly functioning compressor, you're looking at a sweaty situation. No one wants to deal with that, especially during peak summer months. Just like the heart pumps blood throughout your body, the compressor circulates refrigerant in your AC system. It's a fascinating process that ensures your home stays cool and comfortable. It's the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. Without it, the entire system would come to a halt. We'll explore common signs of a failing compressor, the tools you'll need, and how to diagnose issues effectively, and the step-by-step process of checking and recharging it. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you can handle it with confidence. Remember, tackling AC repairs yourself can save you money and give you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, it's a great way to learn new skills. But safety comes first. Always prioritize your well-being and consult a professional if needed. Let's get started on this journey together. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to keep our ACs humming happily all summer long. With the right knowledge and tools, you'll be a pro in no time. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of checking and recharging your compressor, let's talk about recognizing the warning signs of a struggling compressor. Early detection is key to prevent further damage and costly repairs down the line. One of the most obvious signs is insufficient cooling. If your AC is blowing warm air or struggling to reach the set temperature, it could be a red flag that your compressor is on its last legs. Another telltale sign is strange noises coming from your unit, such as grinding, rattling, or clicking. These noises often indicate mechanical issues within the compressor that require immediate attention. Remember, addressing these problems sooner rather than later can save you a whole lot of trouble and expense in the long run. Before we begin our AC repair adventure, let's gather the necessary tools for the job. Having the right tools at your disposal is crucial for a successful repair. Having the right equipment will make the process smoother and ensure your safety. It also helps in diagnosing issues accurately and efficiently. First and foremost, you'll need a multimeter to test the compressor's electrical components. This tool is essential for checking voltage, current, and resistance. This handy device will help you identify any wiring issues or electrical malfunctions. It's a must-have for any electrical troubleshooting. Next up is a manifold gauge set, which allows you to measure refrigerant pressure and determine if your system needs a recharge. This tool is vital for maintaining the correct pressure levels in your AC system. Of course, you'll need a fresh supply of refrigerant compatible with your AC system. Using the correct type of refrigerant is crucial for the system's efficiency and longevity. Make sure to check your owner's manual or contact the manufacturer to determine the correct type and amount needed. This step ensures that you are using the right specifications for your particular model. A set of wrenches will come in handy for loosening and tightening connections. Different sizes will be needed for various parts of the AC unit, while safety gear like gloves and goggles will protect you from potential hazards. Always prioritize your safety by wearing the appropriate protective equipment. Working with electrical components and refrigerants requires utmost caution. Before you even think about touching your AC unit, unplug it from the power source. This will eliminate the risk of electrical shock. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and goggles, to protect your skin and eyes from refrigerant contact. Refrigerants can cause skin irritation and eye damage, so it's crucial to take these precautions seriously. Work in a well-ventilated area to prevent inhaling refrigerant fumes, which can be harmful to your health. If you're unsure about any step of the process, don't hesitate to consult a qualified HVAC technician. Remember, your safety is paramount. Section 5. Compressor Checkup, a step-by-step guide. Now that we've covered the safety essentials, let's dive into the step-by-step process of checking your AC compressor. Safety is paramount, so always ensure you have the right protective gear before starting any inspection or repair work. Begin by visually inspecting the compressor for any signs of damage, such as dents, leaks, or burnt wires. Look closely at all sides of the compressor to ensure you don't miss any potential issues. If you notice any obvious physical issues, it's best to consult a professional technician. They have the expertise to handle complex problems and can prevent further damage to your system. Next, use your multimeter to check for electrical continuity in the compressor's wiring. This step is crucial to ensure that the electrical components are functioning correctly. Set the multimeter to the appropriate setting and touch the probes to the compressor's electrical terminals. Make sure you have a firm connection to get an accurate reading. If the multimeter beeps or shows a reading, it indicates continuity. This means that the electrical circuit is complete and functioning as it should. If not, there might be a wiring problem. Faulty wiring can lead to serious issues, so it's important to address this immediately. Finally, it's time to check the refrigerant levels using your trusty manifold gauge set. Proper refrigerant levels are essential for the efficient operation of your AC system. Connect the gauges to the service ports on the compressor, following the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure the connections are secure to avoid any leaks. The gauges will display the pressure readings, which you can compare to the recommended levels for your specific AC system. If the readings are off, it may indicate a need for refrigerant recharge or other maintenance. Section 6. Recharging your compressor, a breath of fresh air. If your pressure readings are low, it's time to recharge your compressor with refrigerant. This process requires careful attention to detail and adherence to safety guidelines. Before you begin, ensure you have the correct type of refrigerant and that your manifold gauge set is properly connected. With the AC unit still unplugged, slowly open the refrigerant valve on the manifold gauge set to allow refrigerant to flow into the system. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauges and add refrigerant gradually to avoid overcharging. Overcharging can damage your compressor and reduce the efficiency of your AC system. Once the pressure readings reach the recommended levels, close the refrigerant valve and disconnect the manifold gauge set. Final checks before cooling down. Congratulations on successfully recharging your AC compressor. Before you declare victory and crank up the cool air, there are a few final checks to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. Firstly, visually inspect all connections for any signs of leaks. Apply a soapy water solution to the connections and look for bubbles, which indicate escaping refrigerant. If you detect any leaks, tighten the connections or replace any faulty components. Once you're confident there are no leaks, it's time to plug your AC unit back into the power source. Turn on your AC and monitor its performance to ensure it's cooling properly and that the compressor is running smoothly. Section 8. Stay cool and connected. More DIY tips await. That's it for today's AC repair adventure. You've learned how to check and recharge your compressor like a pro. Remember, regular maintenance and early detection of issues can significantly extend the lifespan of your AC system and keep your home comfortable year-round. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. And stay tuned for more exciting home repair tips and tricks coming your way. We'll be tackling another common appliance repair challenge soon, so stay connected and keep those DIY spirits high. Section 9. Compressor troubleshooting, beyond the basics. While recharging your compressor can often resolve cooling issues, there are instances where the problem might lie elsewhere. If you've recharged your system and are still experiencing problems, don't fret. Let's delve into some additional troubleshooting steps. First, check your air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, forcing your compressor to work harder and potentially leading to overheating. Replace your air filter regularly, especially during peak cooling seasons. Next, inspect your thermostat. A malfunctioning thermostat can send incorrect signals to your AC unit, causing it to run constantly or not at all. Make sure your thermostat is set correctly and consider replacing it if it's old or unreliable. Section 10. Seeking professional help, when expertise matters. While DIY repairs can be empowering and cost-effective, there are times when calling in the experts is the wisest course of action. If you've exhausted your troubleshooting options and your AC system is still not functioning properly, it's best to consult a qualified HVAC technician. Professionals have the experience, knowledge, and specialized tools to diagnose and repair complex AC issues that are beyond the scope of DIY repairs. They can also advise you on the overall health of your system and recommend preventative measures to avoid future problems. Remember, Attempting to fix complex AC issues without proper training and equipment can be dangerous and potentially worsen the problem. When in doubt, always err on the side of caution and seek professional assistance. Section 11. Wrapping up. You've got the power to DIY. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the importance of your AC compressor to troubleshooting common issues and knowing when to call for backup. Remember, maintaining a comfortable home environment is crucial for your well-being, especially during those scorching summer months. By arming yourself with knowledge and the right tools, you can confidently tackle many AC maintenance tasks yourself, saving money and gaining a sense of accomplishment. But always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Keep those DIY spirits high, and remember, you've got the power to create a comfortable and inviting home for yourself and your loved ones.